Today is day 7, Advent 2022, and I am outside during the daylight hours, putting a little bit of decoration out on the front porch, more decoration. I'm going to flip this around and I will show you the wreath in the daylight because you only saw it after dark. And then today I'm going to hang up these 2 lanterns. I love lanterns. Years ago, David and I and Cinda and Grayson went to Germany during the Christmas markets, and one of the things I loved during those Christmas markets was the lanterns that they had with candles inside on all of the business front porch steps. So I have looked for years for lanterns for my front porch, and I found these 2 at Craft Warehouse. I'm going to do a little bit of decorating of them, but first I'm going to hang them up on 2 hooks, the same hooks that I had my Christmas or my witch hats on during Halloween. I'm going to hang them up, put some greens on top, or maybe a garland, as was suggested by one of my viewers 2 days ago, and put some of the cool candles that I got at Costco. I got a second pack that run on battery, but I have been running them non-stop in my living room for 3 weeks now at least, and they are still going. LED is a beautiful invention. All right, I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the wreath and show you the lanterns and talk about what we can do to decorate them. All right, I've been at the bow making again, and I have made 2 bigger bows to go on top of these lanterns, as well as with some satin green ribbon that's a little bit brighter green. I just wrapped it into 3 loops and made varying lengths of tendrils that I'm going to hang under the ribbon just to give it more wow. And I'm going to anchor it near the top, but hopefully to hang over the front a bit to the outside. Well, sad to say, I video recorded some parts that got deleted out of this, but in these lanterns, I first attached the bows and I wrapped them around the handle that's hooking to the chain, and then I wrapped the wires up the chain to help anchor the lantern to it all. I then went in and I picked some ends off the southern magnolia tree, and I clipped up like the clusters at the tips of the branches, and I wired those up and tucked them in. And then I took some fir branches that I also wired up and tucked in, and then anchored it up to the handle and the chain, just because I'm worried about wind on this thing. And then in the end, I felt like it needed a little bit of height, which is something that when you're doing flower arranges you do. And I happen to know that I have some camellia plants on the side of the house. And again, evergreen, evergreen, evergreen. I tucked those in. If I had had something with berries, I would have done that. But honestly, the lighter green really impacts the arrangement. So bow first, and then I stuffed greenery around the bow. And I can show you my second one. Maybe the lighting will be better on this one. Again, magnolia, fir tree, camellia tips, and bow. And this one's actually turned away from us, and it still looks good. There, it's turned towards us. So I tried to build it out so that it looks good in all directions, but mostly to the street. There we go. I'll have to say it was very difficult to get that lid back on again, so I'm a little concerned about the next one. Alright, that's it for me this evening. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying decorating for Christmas. I've yet to do my tree. I'm doing all the little peripheries because they're fun and they're easy. But hopefully tomorrow we'll take that tree on and pull it out from underneath the stairs and move furniture because it's going to require furniture movement. I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you haven't rung the bell, ring the bell so that you get notified when new videos are going up. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.